Okay, I'll show you how I take out this. We will take out these two pillows here. Okay. Okay. And then we will leave it here. Push it, pull. Okay. And then turn this like this. Okay. Put this thing down. And then this one you could lift this one here from behind. See? And then you could put it down by pulling it up again, and it remove the lock. Okay? And over here, bring it up. Put this thing up here. And push it. All snug in. Simple as that. Put this thing back here. Here. And voila. That's all it is, man. Thank you very much.